Okay, I just want to show people what's going on around here. This is all the snow that drifted against my house. The street's not plowed yet. It's, actually I don't know what time it is. I think it's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon on Sunday. And here's my car. I dug out my car. Here's the snow up against the house. And I shoveled here, around the car. That's the street, but giant snow piles. I got the snow off my windows because that's just going to start coming inside. Here's, I just shoveled all this so Paisley has somewhere else to go, and I have 2 exits. So I can get out my side door now. And this is the backyard. I can't get in my gate, of course. And I'm right now, whoa, well, I was standing on about 2.5 feet of snow. And that's the yard. There's easily 3 feet of snow in the backyard. And I've got to get in here so I could clear out the slider. So, that's what's happening.